Good morning, my name is Maria Victoria Cárdenas. Do you believe we compare ourselves to others on social media? Yes, as human beings, we are always comparing our physical and intellectual part with others. This happens because we seek acceptance within society and social networks. This situation is even more evident. However, within social networks, stereotypes are being created with the purpose of selling us various products that end up influencing our lives to suit an existence that where seed is an output but finality were at being manipulated with algorithms and artificial intelligence that unimatter after our reality. Do you think the information displayed on social media inspires our actions? This is demeter the case. Most social networks are programmed to manipulate our actions. In this way, the truth is those things that they like with the purpose of reiterating our thoughts regarding different social and emotional situations in our lives. In this way, what they do is confirms our truth, thus ending the critical and self-critical gaze that we must have. Can social media after our mental build? Mental build is often independent of how long we are connecting and how much the different opinions that are made on the networks can after use. That is why it is important to understand that what exists in social networks is main case are not absolute truth. With news also cannot what the different social networks offer us and what they offers us can after of mental health. Thank you.